Jumbo, welcome to Miracle Experience. This is your safari from the sky. Jumbo, welcome to Miracle Experience. Let me walk you through some important details to make your experience unforgettable. First, it can get chilly in the morning, so be sure to bring warm clothing and closed shoes.
We will pick you up at around 4 a.m., but the exact pickup time will be given by your driver, so please be ready on time. On our way, be aware, keep an eye out. We might pamper ourselves with something interesting, so we might pause for some photos.
Once you arrive at the launch site, we will guide you through the safety briefing and show you how to buckle up before we lift off. Your safety is our top priority.
Also, you can take a nice fresh Tanzanian coffee while you are enjoying floating over the magical plains.
After landing, we will celebrate with a champagne toast, a short story of ballooning history, and then a drive to the bush breakfast.
If you have any dietary restrictions, just let us know in advance and we'll take care of you. And if you're celebrating a special occasion, let us know, as we would like to make it extra memorable for you.
Before we say goodbye, you will receive a nice certificate for this unforgettable adventure.
Thank you for choosing Miracle Experience. See you tomorrow.